asking for the floor to hear their views as well, starting with the Bonaire Human Rights Organization Foundation. You have the floor, my distinguished colleague, and then we'll go to the second two speakers. You have the floor.
Leave no one behind. I stand before you today as a voice for those who are always left behind. I'm James Finies. I come from Bonaire, an island in the southern Caribbean. Nosta Papiamento. We speak Papiamento. Together with Haitian, the only two official native languages in the Caribbean that survived colonization. Our island still colonized to this day. In the 21st century, my people are denied representation, erased from the global narrative, and excluded from decision-making about our own future. As we meet to discuss culture and digital transformation in the context of sustainable development, we must confront a critical question. Can sustainable development truly exist in colonized territories where international human rights instruments are absent or denied? On Bonaire, the International Covenant on Economic, Social, and Cultural Rights and the United Nations Declaration on the Rights of Indigenous Peoples are not realities. We live outside their protection. Digital transformation driven by IE and algorithms is built on historical data, but our stories were never recorded. Our histories were never written. And now, in the digital age, we risk being erased once more, this time by design. If we don't act now, we will be permanently excluded from the future being built around us. Culture is not a side note. It is central to development. Without cultural rights, there is no dignity, no justice, and no sustainable future. The digital world must reflect all cultures, not just those already in power. This requires action in three key areas. Equality and access. Digital technologies must be available to all communities, especially those historically excluded. Ethics and governance. AE must be aligned with human rights and transparency. It must serve humanity, not deepen inequality. Diversity and innovation. Every culture deserves to be seen, valued, and preserved. Innovation thrives when all voices are heard. Meanwhile, on Bonaire, our native language, Papiamento, is disappearing from schools. Our flag replaced, our online pressure rewritten. New settlers flood our island, while native voices are silenced. Our native population has shrunk from 80% in 2010 to just 30% today. We are losing our land, our rights, our culture, our identity. We are facing ethnic and cultural erasure. I'm here as the last hope of our peoples. Our culture still breathes. Our language still lives. Our spirit endures. We are resilient. We have the faith not to be erased. Our future must be decided by us. They colonized IE, they colonized Bonaire. So, I call on the United Nations and the world, include us, protect us, stand with us. Let us build a future where no one, truly no one, is left behind. Thank you.
Thank you very much, my dear brother. And as you can see, you're not left behind. We have heard you and you have spoken and you have expressed yourself. So truly, this is the best proof that you're not left enough. We take full note of your questions and the panelists will address it in due course. The following speaker is the